this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Vivecraft on CurseForge. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily use Vivecraft on any CurseForge mod pack that you have. You can install it on vanilla Minecraft without any mods, or like I said before, you can actually install it in conjunction with any mod pack that you already have downloaded. So to do this, there is going to be a little bit of setup needed. The most important thing by far is that you download SteamVR. SteamVR must be running on the background when you open the game with the Vivecraft mod. So what's going to make this work is going to be a mod developed for Minecraft that allows VR functionality. So all that you have to do is go inside of CurseForge after you download SteamVR, let it run on the background, and then find the specific mod pack that you will be adding Vivecraft to. Now, in this example, I don't have a full mod pack. As you can see, this is a very bare bones installation of Minecraft. But if you have a mod pack, just follow the same instructions. What you have to do is click on the mod pack and then choose the option to add content. In here, look for Vivecraft. So the mod is going to be available here. You can click on Vivecraft if you would like more details about it. And this one is going to be developed for Fabric. So sadly, I'm not sure if this is going to work if you have a Forge, NeoForge, or other mod loaders in your mod pack. But this one is going to work flawlessly for Fabric. So all that you have to do is choose the option to download this mod for your mod pack. So the install button is going to be available, and once it is done, it's going to be listed like this. Make sure that it is active. And with Vivecraft installed, it's as simple as running Minecraft through CurseForge, so you can run this mod pack. Now, make sure that you have your headset connected to your PC, and if your headset is connected and SteamVR is running on the background, you will see this button here on the home screen. So you just click on the option to toggle VR, and now you will be in virtual reality mode inside of your CurseForge installation. It is going to work flawlessly alongside any mods that you have, as long as you have the mod loader, SteamVR, and the headset connected to your PC, usually done with a cable. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, your subscription would mean a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.